Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need two 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, which form the heart of our soup. Also, grab 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have our ingredients, let's build some flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your chopped onion. Sauté the onion for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes translucent and tender. Then, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic. With our aromatics ready, it's time to bring the soup together. Pour in the 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything well to combine. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, use an immersion blender to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency, or carefully transfer to a regular blender. Almost there. Now, taste your delicious tomato soup and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect for your palate. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with a swirl of cream, some fresh basil, or even a grilled cheese sandwich on the side. It's a comforting meal that's surprisingly easy to make. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.